These four powerful, high-flow half-inch NPT air valves deliver unparalleled performance for 12-volt vehicles. The unique design provides high-pressure control at minimal power consumption. The valves support pressures of up to 210 psi and are constructed with high-quality brass to ensure continuous use through extreme conditions. Included with these valves is also a dual-needle black face air gauge with amber backlight. The gauge has two 1/8 NPT Male fittings on the back and two 1/8 NPT Female compression fittings for 1/4 outer diameter hose are included. Comes with two 3-position momentary rocker switches and a black powder-painted metal dash panel.